Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2014 Nissan Frontier. This four-door, four-passenger truck is waiting for you to take home. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, and more. Audio features include a CD player with AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.